how to hide your online status on Roblox. So your online status is basically how your friends can see what game you're playing. So as you can see, these are my friends over here, and you can see what games my friends are playing. So as you can see, Winzera is playing Bed Wars, Shiny Hero is playing The Strongest, Battlegrounds, and they're all playing different games. But if you don't want your friends to know what games you're playing because maybe you're playing without them, or you don't want them to feel left out or something like that, and you want to have it appear like these guys where they're playing a game but you can't see what game they're playing, all you have to do is click on the three dots down here and then go to settings. Then, because this is like a privacy thing and you don't want your friends to know what game you're playing, this is your privacy. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on privacy, and then we're going to wait like a minute, and then now just scroll down to who can join me in experiences. Then just click on this and set it to no one. Right there. Just no one. And yeah, that's how you make sure that no one can see what game you're playing. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It's been your host Max speaking here, and have a good one. Bye!